Hello and welcome to another live stream from Mote HQ. Today I'm delighted to be joined by CEO and co-founder of Mote, Will Jackson. Will, hello.
Hello, John. Hello, everybody. Really excited to be joining you today.
And Will, there's a very exciting new product feature that we're going to be launching today. Would you like to say a little bit about that?
Yeah, I'd love to. This has been a bit of a pet favorite of mine for a little while. I keep joking with the team. This we call this the CEO feature, but I really hope very soon it will be a feature that everybody falls in love with. If you may recall back late last year, late 2020, we launched something we called the Mote Pad, allowing users to create motes on any website that they visited. Well, with Sticky Motes, which is the feature we're launching today, I'm super excited that we're actually extending that experience to allow users to actually share those motes and then for recipients to enjoy listening to a mote on a website. And I know you're going to show this in the demo, but I think it's a really exciting experience, and I can't wait to see what our teachers and our students do using Mote as a sticky mote.
Thank you so much, Will. So it's a great name, Sticky Motes, and now I'm going to show you what a great feature it is. I'm going to jump into a screen share now. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to look at is the use of a Mote Pad, but in a slightly different way to that which we've seen previously. So clicking on the Mote extension at the top of my browser, I get this familiar window pop up. Now I'm going to record a voice note for my class asking them to do something. Hi everyone, before the next lesson, please could you have a look at the video with the title, Design with the Blind in mind. Let everyone know what you think by commenting in Google Classroom. Thank you. This is now done. Now what I would have done previously is I would have headed back to Google Classroom and pasted this link in, and it would have left a lot for the students to do. What I can do now is the following. I'm going to open up my activity and engagement. I get this familiar tab here, but you'll notice something which is brand new is I now have this Share to Classroom button. This is what happens when I click it. Very exciting. Click on Share to Classroom. The next step is for me to choose the class I'm interested in. In this case, it's my Design Grade A class. I then choose the action. That means where would I like it to appear? I'd like to make it a question. So I'm going to select question and then tap on Go. Very, very simply, I'm now going to say, please share your thoughts. And I'm going to leave it as a short answer and just put it into the topic which fits best, which is accessibility. Now this is now ready to go, and I would share this with my class. So this is what happens. Super easy for me to do. And that's now been posted to my Google Classroom. What we're going to do now, having seen it from the teacher's perspective, is we're going to jump over to some student accounts. First of all, looking at a student that has Mote installed. So this first student, as you can see, has Mote installed in their browser. And you will also be able to see, if I go down to accessibility, here is the latest question that I just posted directly from that Share to Classroom button. Clicking on Please Share Your Thoughts gives me the option here. I'm going to view the question just to see it in its full glory, and I'm going to click on this link. Now, this is where you will see for the first time ever what a sticky mote looks like. So here we are. I'm clicking on the link, and I'll then get this new check the link with a 3, 2, 1 countdown. This will now take me to the page where the mote was left. I've now got a window that I can move around the screen, and I could play it. I can view the transcript. Hi everyone, before the next lesson. And I can even scroll around the page to find, in this case, it's the video which my teacher is referring to. I can close it down, and if I move around a bit and still need to access the voice note, no problem at all. My sticky mote is stuck to the page, and I can access it by just clicking on the tab to the right-hand side. So what I would do now as a student is once I've listened to all of this voice note that my teacher's left, I would know exactly what was required of me. I'd jump into the video, be able to go back to Classroom and share my thoughts with both my teacher and the class. So a very common question is what happens when students don't have the Mote extension installed. So what you're about to see for, in this case, it's Dwight's classmate, Jim, you're about to see the same experience. This happens to be in a browser, but it would be exactly the same if a student was accessing the sticky mote on a mobile device or a tablet of some description. So again, I'm going to find the same question here, where it says, please share your thoughts. Go through exactly the same steps I did with Dwight, but you'll notice Mote is not installed in this browser. Go to View Question, and I'm going to click on the Mote. Now, previously, what would have happened is it would have taken me to the landing page for the Mote, which is still great because it means that these voice notes are accessible for everyone, regardless of if they've got Mote or not. But what happens now? Because it was created with the latest version of our extension, and as a sticky Mote, it has the familiar playback functionality in an interactive card on the left-hand side. It has this transcription to the right, but you'll also notice that it has the instructions that my teacher has left me a voice note on a particular web page, and it encourages me to go and check it out. So when I click on this link, it's going to take me to the page, but I know exactly what I need to do because I was able to interact with that voice note to play it back on the previous page. So there we go. In just a matter of minutes, we've seen Mote's Share to Classroom button and also the brand new sticky Motes. We're really excited to see what you do with both of these features, to hear what you think. And without any further ado, I'm going to jump back and speak to Will.
John, you nailed that demo. Thanks very much for showing it off and giving folks the sense of its real potential. As you know, we're always interested in hearing from our users, so I hope you all liked what you saw today. I hope this is something that you can see yourself trying, exploring with students, with a class, with colleagues, and of course, we love to hear your feedback. So check it out. Let us know what you think. You know how to get us, whether it be on Twitter, on Instagram, on Facebook, even on LinkedIn. Do check us out, and I can't wait to hear and see what you do with the sticky Motes.
Thank you ever so much, Will, and thank you ever so much to everyone else for tuning in. So until next time, goodbye for now.